There, and welcome back to the Positively Joyful Productivity Show. I'm your host, Nicole Louise, and I'm here to help you get your ChatGPT set up and running and optimized, and then elevate your skills. And that's actually what I'm going to be talking to you about today is step 3 in my 3-step process to get this all up and going. Step 3 is elevate your skills. And so what does this mean? Well, step 1, if you remember from a couple of weeks ago, is organize. You want to get your ChatGPT account organized. And then the next step is optimize. So that's where you train it, set up your GPTs, set up your tasks. Once you've got all of that under control, the next step is elevate. You are ready to start learning the different tools and features within ChatGPT to make your life 100 times easier. And today I want to show you one of my favorite tools that's going to really change the game for you. So whether you're a business owner, a teacher, oh goodness, anybody could really use this tool. If you use ChatGPT for any kind of writing, maybe it's content creation, writing an email, a newsletter, anything that you write where you get an output from ChatGPT and you're like, that didn't sound good. I need to fix this up. I need to tweak it. I'm going to show you a tool that's going to make this 100 times easier. So the tool that I'm going to teach you today is called Canvas. And if you have never heard of this, that's okay. I'm going to show you exactly where it is. So I'm in the chat. And when you're in the chat box where you would normally type in a question, there's a little plus sign. You're going to click on that. And then you're going to scroll down to the more option, and then another little panel will come up. That's where you can find Canvas. So there's a little pencil with like a star icon. That's Canvas mode. So let me show you what this can do. I'm going to start typing some things here. An email telling my boss I can't attend the after work meeting this Friday. Okay, now this is a terrible prompt, but in the interest of time, this is how we're doing it. So you can see it's thinking, and you'll notice, so for those of you watching me on YouTube, you can see it comes up in like this little box. So for my listeners, this little box comes up and you can see like it's actually created this email for you. And then you can copy it. You can open in your email account. So you can open in your email. But the cool thing about Canvas is you can edit what the output is. So like right here, it came up with, the greeting, hi, and then in the brackets, it says boss name. So I'm going to just type in, let's say Sue is my boss. So, hi, Sue. I wanted to let you know I won't be able to attend the after work meeting this Friday due to a prior commitment. If there's anything you'd like me to review or prepare ahead of time, I'm happy to do that. And I'd appreciate it if you could share any notes or next steps afterwards so I can stay aligned. Thank you for your understanding, Nicole. So if I wanted to change anything like, thank you for your understanding. So point is, I'm typing right in here. So you can edit in real time. Now, if you've been using ChatGPT for any length of time, you cannot edit the answer that it gives you. But when you use Canvas mode, you can. And you can actually ask it to change things too, which is cool. So I want to show you that too. So let's say I'm a 5th grade teacher. Write a class newsletter announcing our class party on Friday for, I don't know, spring, because it's winter now and, looking for spring. So again, for my listening audience, the same little box popped up, but this time it's a little bit different. So this time you have the options to copy, edit, or download this. So I'm going to click on edit icon, and it kind of opens up a new pane on the right side of your screen. And you'll see the chat is on the left side. So it kind of does like a split screen. And this is cool because now you can edit. And this is what's even cooler. So if you are in the editing pane, so on the right side of your screen, you will see a little plus sign and then it highlights that section. So if you click on that, you can tell it to edit something. Let's name the party Happy Spring. I am completely making this up. This doesn't make any sense. But just for the sake of being able to show you what this is. So, and you can see it actually changed the title of the party right in it for me. Okay. And then so you can add in the details, Friday, March. I don't even know what Friday, March would be because it's January right now. But you can edit all of the information. And so you can edit it. You can click on that plus sign. It will edit it for you. And in the chat box on the left, you can ask it over there to fix things up too. So when you're happy with it, you can copy it, share it, show the changes, or download it. Yeah, that's your download. So I usually click out of here. So now I'm back in my normal chat screen for those of you listening. And if you scroll down and read through, it saved all of the changes that it and I made. And then you can download that. If you're a teacher, you can upload that right into Canva or Microsoft Word or Google Docs, and boom, your newsletter is done. So Canvas is an incredible tool that really changes the game. I hope that you have a beautiful week ahead. Go try out Canvas Mode and let me know what you think. Did you love it? Let me know. Connect with me on LinkedIn. Leave a comment under this if you're on Spotify or YouTube. I would love to hear from you. All right. Have a beautiful week.